Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the area safe. Shut off power and tag the circuit so you won't be surprised. Once done, visually inspect the actuator housing and linkage for broken tabs, debris, or binding. This tells you whether mechanical obstruction is the issue. Next, confirm model and wiring using the manufacturer diagram and collect a multimeter and screwdriver. These first steps prevent wasted troubleshooting and let you isolate electrical tests from mechanical checks before proceeding to live measurements. Now you verify electrical health and motion. First, measure supply voltage at the actuator while power is applied. You should see the nominal control voltage, often 24 V. If not, trace the supply. Then command the actuator from the thermostat or controller and watch the linkage move, note speed and full travel. After that, power down and test resistance and continuity across motor and feedback potentiometer terminals to detect open windings or worn pots. These tests separate wiring, control, and internal motor faults. Finish by calibrating endpoints. Set travel stops or program endpoints per the manual so the valve opens fully without binding. Once calibrated, reattach linkage, secure the housing, restore power, and command several full cycles while observing feedback to confirm correct position and speed. If the actuator still won't move, confirm the control signal amplitude and polarity. If supply and signal are correct but motor or feedback are open or noisy, replace the actuator. This single troubleshooting tip saves time. Always verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.